What's good, guys? I'm gonna be installing these RevShift transmission bushings. Not bushings, I mean mounts today. And these ones, bro, compared to factory rubber, these are almost as hard as plastic. These are polyurethane drift mounts. I'm gonna hear my daily driver rattle all the time, but these are indestructible. Like, I want to keep this car forever, so let's begin. So you want to start with putting the car on 4 jack stands. I mean, I have like 6. I get paranoid a lot. And I have one on the differential all the way down there, just to keep me safe. Because, you know, these cars are heavy, bro. It's no joke. So what you want is any, like, this is a 16, but get any 13 millimeter with a 3/8 or a half drive ratchet. I got this nice, like, half drive ratchet. These are stronger than the 3/8 ones. The next tool you want is one of these, like ratchet wrenches, but it's gonna be a 13 millimeter. I'm gonna use this to take off, but they're gonna be 13 millimeter bolts underneath the there's a bracket on the transmission. I'll show you guys. Lucky for me, this is the bracket right here. I was able to get both of these bolts off, and my engine mount, I'll show you. The top of them, they just tore off. So I'm lucky because these RevShift ones, they just go straight through. There isn't much information about these specific engine mounts that I know of, either on YouTube or anywhere. So, I got the whole bracket in. This took forever, but you want to take care. So these bolts, like, I thought it was 13s at the top, but it turned out it was 12 millimeter. And these ones are 13, so which are confusing me. So take this, and I'm gonna get my torque wrench real quick. I'm gonna torque it to around 20 foot-pounds. I feel like that'd be good because these are polyurethane bushings, so I'm trying to torque to 20 foot-pounds. I mean, oh, that one's tight. Okay. So now you tighten these two. So yeah, I mean, that's it. What transmission mounts are, they're on there. No, I've had these drift mounts on now for like a few months, and right off the bat, I noticed that they make my car vibrate so much. Like, I used to only have transmission of them, like, drift mounts. I'll make a video on that, or if I already did, I should be uploaded. But I used to only have these engine mounts that made it rattle. Now I can hear the whole engine rattle. I can feel everything about this engine, and that's a huge pro, because really, like, it's probably bad for my passengers. I don't notice as much because it rattles less, because they've officially been, like, dialed and locked into my system. But I like the idea of feeling everything, and that's, like, why I have them, because I want to be able to feel, like, if anything's wrong with my suspension or anything. But having these little mounts tell me about my car. But I noticed that I have, like, what the heck? Oh, I have, like, more stability when shifting. Like, my shifter, it feels more stable. Like, I mean, there's less play in my transmission is what I'm trying to say, and that's a huge positive. I also feel that, like, my car is tighter around turns, around corners, around everything, really. Like, I'm driving downtown, it's hard to drive while recording with one hand, but my car, if it is so tight, it is so nice to drive now. I really like it. Like, I really like how tight these are. Overall, I think they're worth it, and they're so cheap. They're only, I think I paid like $100 or some dollars for them. Like, because I bought them during Black Friday, I paid like $75, $80, $4 or something with shipping to where I live. And dude, it's amazing. Like I really enjoy using these drift transmission mounts and these drift motor mounts. They're one of the best things I've ever put on my car. Probably like the cheapest mod, one of the cheapest mods I've ever done, and they're worth it. Also, these polyurethane mounts, they're on a rubber so hard, they're probably never gonna bust. Like, I couldn't even put like indents in it because it was so hard. Polyurethane, bro. The hell yeah. But anyways, thank you guys for watching my video on polyurethane drift mounts. I give them like, I don't know, like a 10 out of 10 for me personally. For you, it could be a different score. You could hate these mounts because they rattle. They make your car like a freaking, they make it like rattle like crazy. But at the end of the day, I have more control, more feel, more emphasis towards driving in this car. It makes it feel more raw. Like, thank you.